Yamaguchi Aerospace Cluster intends to expand its business into the aerospace industry. Small and medium-sized companies in Yamaguchi Prefecture boast top-ranking techniques in Japan, and Yamaguchi Aerospace Cluster is a group of such companies. Hibiki Seiki has been demonstrating its expertise in various industries including shipbuilding, semiconductors, and medical appliances since 1967. In a joint experiment with NTT West, Hibiki Seiki is building a framework for a smart factory that uses a local 5G network. Since 2017, Hibiki Seiki has been manufacturing aerospace parts. Its specialty, high-quality precision machining contributes to further weight reduction.
We at Hibiki Seiki have contributed to the space industry by reducing space transportation costs. Sending a rocket into space costs tens of millions of yen to 100 million yen per kilogram. By reducing thinner and higher precision components for rockets and satellites, we can achieve weight reduction, thus reducing transportation costs, which is the biggest bottleneck in the space industry. The space business is a growing industry not only in Japan but also in the world. We will address this global challenge of transportation costs and hope to promote the utilization of the space domain by refining our technology together with the researchers and developers here in Yamaguchi, and by disseminating it to the world.
Advanced machines, systems, and engineering experts. They enable AXS to provide sheet metal products, mainly made from non-ferrous metal. AXS has provided railroad car parts for JR Shinkansen and others. In summer 2020, the study team of a university and AXS collaborated to experiment a world-first air launching system for a small rocket. They acquired valuable data for the further development.
This year marks our 75th anniversary. Since our founding, we have been committed to non-ferrous sheet metal, and we will continue to challenge the possibility that sheet metal should have in the field of aerospace.
Onyx has been specializing in metal heat treatment, the foundation of industry. Onyx enjoys the industry's trust for its quality. Onyx is one of the very few companies that can carburize and quench 15 or more tons of products in Japan. Additionally, Onyx has large and small vacuum quench furnaces. Onyx is also capable of offering shot peening services. Onyx intends to use the heat treatment technologies for aviation and aerospace products.
With a proven track record in treating large products, we can help you with any heat treatment needs you may have. We will respond with passion.
Shinwa Seiko provides parts for semiconductor manufacturing devices and medical appliances, as well as small batch precision parts for research and development institutions. Its specialty is to machine parts that are 30 square centimeters or less, contributing to reinforcement and weight reduction of parts. Recently, Shinwa Seiko has been exploring the potentials of 3D printing technology and developing hybrid products that use complex, shaped FRP materials and metals. Also, the seminar of the University of Tokyo and Shinwa Seiko have been collaborating to develop lightweight and complex aerospace parts.
We at Shinwa Seiko will strive to develop our know-how by actively installing new equipment, and will make further challenges and contributions in the aerospace field utilizing our technology. I look forward to working with you.
Kuroiso Seisakusho offers machining services of stainless steel and aluminum, which are not easily machinable. Its own production control system and quality control systems enable the company to efficiently offer its services. To meet a broad range of customer needs, Kuroiso Seisakusho has a wide variety of machines and skilled engineers. Now, Chiba Institute of Technology and Kuroiso Seisakusho have been collaborating to develop a compact electric turbopump. Kuroiso Seisakusho is enthusiastically investing in its development. The goal is to develop Japan's first compact electric turbopump.
We at Kuroiso Seisakusho have processed the components of precision machines such as semiconductor manufacturing equipment. Utilizing our technology, we will undertake a new challenge in the aerospace industry.
Fuji Koatsu Flexible Hose is a piping manufacturer. which produces high-pressure hoses, pipes, and fittings from raw materials. To meet customer needs, Fuji Koatsu Flexible Hose uses its expertise to offer suggestions and deliver safe products on time without any mistakes. Fuji Koatsu Flexible Hose has been providing piping products which are vital for hydraulic and pneumatic devices. This experience and its expertise will be at big advantages in the future.
In the turbulent times ahead, our company aims to be a one-of-a-kind company that respects accumulated know-how and tradition, while encouraging our employees to notice, think, act for themselves, and challenge new things without fear of failure. We will continue to make steady steps toward our grand dream of contributing to the aerospace industry through manufacturing.
All 6 companies are certified to JIS Q9100. Yamaguchi Aerospace Cluster will try strengthening the network from Yamaguchi to the world and beyond. The 6 companies have an infinite possibility.